Content is king, but there are so many challenges that creators must overcome, starting with how the phone is positioned. Flipstik is your way out. It's a stand you can stick on literally any surface you want and adjust the angle you need. You know what? The stickers are actually reusable. You can use one sticker up to 1,000 times. And it's easy to clean in case it gets dirty. The flip cover also works as a versatile kickstand that can support even the largest phones. Finally, there's a silicone band to prevent tomato baths for your smartphone. Another project involving 3D printing? Simplify the task with this 3D printer. It operates right out of the box, plug and play, no leveling, no assembly required. Now choose from a constantly expanding library of ready 3D models or capture an image of the object you desire. The built-in AI takes care of the rest. Marvel at the impressive printing speed with the new printhead completing prints in under 20 minutes. Notably, the device supports multicolor printing. Additionally, the integrated 720p camera captures captivating time-lapse videos for effortless sharing on your social media platform. Want to spend some time on your fluffy puffy couch cuddling up with your phone or tablet? Whether reading, watching videos, or typing, this stand enhances your experience and posture in bed, on the sofa, or on a rug. It's compatible with all devices up to 11 inches. What you need is to pick the most suitable angle and place it comfortably on your lap. Are you a travel enthusiast? Well, brace yourself for the ultimate wall accessory, the 3D colored wooden world map. It's not just an average map, it's a masterpiece that'll make your wall pop, quite literally. See that LED backlight? You can customize it and make it dance to the beats of your favorite music. And since it's magnetic, don't forget to hang your favorite shots. The package includes everything you need: ocean names, wooden planes, boats, a compass, double-sided tape, and corner stencils. Insomnia again? Designed to alleviate the struggle of falling asleep, the Dohm Classic features 2 fan speeds and customizable vent adjustments, enabling you to tailor your sleep environment. Whether you seek a natural sleep aid or a calming companion for a fussy infant, this white noise machine will assist you with that. Perfect for the work-from-home era, it also enhances focus and blocks out distractions. Plug in, unwind, and let the white noise machine usher you into a realm of peaceful rest and heightened productivity. Why would anyone need a self-stirring cup? Because convenience is the engine of progress, that's why. With temperature differential technology, it automatically stirs without batteries, ensuring the perfect mix for coffee, tea, milk, or powdered drink. Activate it wirelessly or on a charging power bank for a robust stir. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the cup promises longevity and hygiene with an IPX7 rating for easy cleaning. Lightweight, it holds 9 ounces, making it perfect for home, office, or on the go. Feel yourself Daenerys unburnt every time you're at a barbecue or just baking cookies for your family. These gloves will protect your hands from the extreme heat and accidental cuts. Yep, they're that strong. And those silicone inserts will make sure the hot tray with cookies won't slip out of your hands. The gloves are made from stretchable material, which is easy to clean. Where are my keys? Where's my wallet? Where's my dog? KEEPY will help you solve those problems. It's a lost and found ID tag with a QR code that links to a web page with info about the tag's owner and an object it's attached to: keys, pets, or a person. The locking mechanism fastens securely in any location, while the laser marking is damage and weather resistant. Now you'll definitely find what belongs to you. Tired from those jangling keys in your pocket? Organize them with the Rhinokey Key Organizer. It fits up to 10 keys. There's more. The built-in tracker makes sure you've always got them and notifies you in case you've forgotten the organizer somewhere. But what I love best is that there's a whole toolbox you might need for quick fixes on the go. It has a built-in LED flashlight, a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, a hex wrench, a ruler, a file, and even a bit holder.